Hi everyone, Tanuki Twirls here. Here's day 1 of Moody Tricks bouncing into 2020. Here's the combo. Alright, let's break it down now. First step is just tossing it straight up in the air in a nice clean plane. Now that you have clean planes, go ahead and try to toss it up and bounce it with the palm of your hand. Go ahead and tap, tap. Next step is just catching the hoop. Make sure you catch with the inside grip so you can go into a reverse weave. One more time. You're gonna go ahead and tap, catch inside of the hoop into a reverse weave and frame your body. Now you'll continue to frame your body by passing hand to hand behind your back. Notice one hand is always up and one is down. Reverse weave, frame your body, up and over pass, up and over pass. Now from your last pass, you're going to bounce it with your opposite leg, right hand, left leg. From the pass, I suggest to aim for your calf when bouncing the hoop as you have a larger surface area. Once you see it, kick, catch. From the catch, swing the hoop across your body just to pass to your opposite hand. Now simply continue the momentum behind your body. Continue the smear. Once it comes into the front of your body, you're going to barrel roll with it. Continue your barrel roll until your hand isolates all the way to your belly button. Fold the hoop down. From here, you'll see I cross my right leg over my left to prepare for a pirouette as I ghost isolate vertically upwards, continuing my turn while I do my ghost isolation. Once I face the camera again, I isolate down my body and jump out at the very bottom. From the jump through, continue to fold the hoop twice in the vertical plane. For the next bounce, you want the hoop to be slightly angled towards your body, like this. Then that bounce piece of toss will land above your body for an easier jump through. A little bit slower, you'll bounce. I catch with my left hand to vortex down my body, jump out at the bottom. Here I continue the momentum of the hoop like I'm going to a front body wrap, but I'm going to place the hoop in the hinge of my knee to hinge it forward. In the hinge, use gravity and drop the hoop to achieve your last bounce. This bounce is very important as this is how you'll insert your foot for foot hooping. Watch the drop, bounce, insert the foot, and now you're into your last foot hooping move. From there, you can do anything you want, such as a chest roll, and now let's put it all back together again. And toss, bounce, bounce, inside catch for reverse weave. Frame your body. Frame your body, get ready to bounce with your foot, catch, pass your opposite hand, barrel roll, fold down, ghost isolate up while you pirouette, isolate down your body, jump out, fold, fold, bounce, vortex down until you can jump out. Behind your body, hinge until it's forward. Use gravity to get your foot in. Congrats everyone. Hope you had fun. Happy hooping.